The article argues that global warming is unequivocal, human-driven, and accelerating, drawing on evidence from rising carbon dioxide since the Industrial Revolution and an increase in average temperature. It frames the central anxiety around climate tipping points, thresholds beyond which feedbacks make warming self-perpetuating and difficult to reverse. It highlights candidates such as Amazon rainforest dieback, ice sheet destabilization, and permafrost methane release. The author notes that recent research compressed the margin for safety. Crossing such points could lock in meters of sea level rise and other changes that no feasible intervention can undo on human timescales. Consequently, the evolution of warming is non-linear. Small additional emissions can spark cascading effects. Avoiding this trajectory, the article argues, requires immediate transformative global action, rapid fossil fuel phase-out, ecosystem protection, and robust adaptation. Yet current policies and pledges under the Paris framework fall far short of a 1.5-degree pathway. Political denial, vested fossil fuel interests, and free-riding dynamics stall progress and widen the gap between rhetoric and reality. Every year of delay deepens risk because carbon accumulates, and the crisis lacks an immediate shock to galvanize action. Unchecked warming functions as a threat multiplier, aggravating scarcity, inequality, and instability. The piece foresees water and land conflicts, climate-driven migration from regions exceeding lethal thresholds, heat and geopolitical competition in newly accessible areas like the melting Arctic. It condenses a potential climate endgame into 4 interacting crises: famine, extreme weather, war, and disease, that together can tip societies into systemic failure. A speculative collapse unfolds in phases. Institutions fray, elites retreat to fortified enclaves, and complex technologies unravel without the societal scaffolding that sustains them. In a worst-case feedback spiral, temperatures could reach levels incompatible with human physiology and agriculture, raising existential questions for our species. While a Venus-style runaway greenhouse is deemed highly unlikely, it serves as a stark boundary case underscoring moral urgency. These risks, the author argues, expose a planetary tragedy of the commons and sharpen debates over intergenerational duty and climate justice. The conclusion stresses that the window for collective action is still open but rapidly narrowing, demanding unprecedented solidarity, innovation, and political will in the present. Whether the story ends in resilient transformation or avoidable collapse, the outcome hinges on choices made in this decade.